Please, hi, is there Karuna here? Karuna here? Hello, Karuna here. Hi, Dia. Hello, Dia.
Hi, Ma.
Yeah, what is your name?
My name is Dia.
Which grade?
I'm fifth standard.
Sixth. Is it?
Hello.
Yes, Dia, which grade?
Yeah, I'm in fifth grade.
Okay, Dia. Can you type your mobile number in the chats?
Yeah, one sec.
Okay. Arav, is it Arav Agarwal or is it Khush? Please
Ma'am, my
come.
name is Khush. Ma'am, my name is Arav and my nickname is Khush.
Okay, okay. So your teacher is there. I'll start with the class.
Hello everyone. Hello Arav.
Hello, sir.
Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible? Yes, Arav, can you hear me? Okay, Lata, can you hear me as well? Lata, can you hear me as well? And all of you can you all hear me? Yes? Okay, so welcome to the class. First of all, tell me how are you feeling today? Just tell me, how are you feeling today? You are good?
I'm
Huh?
really well.
You are really well? That's good. Are you done with your dinner? Not
Yes,
yet?
not yet. I will
Oh,
do it at 9:30 or 9:40.
great. And you are having off tomorrow. We are having Sunday, right?
Yes,
On
sir.
Sunday, what we are going to do? On Sunday, what we are going to do? Can you tell me?
I will. I will first uh,
Huh?
breakfast. Then uh, I will take a bath in the bathroom. Then
Ooh, okay, that's good. Have you joined my previous classes as well or not? Has
yes,
anybody joined my previous class?
yes, sir. I was in the demo.
In the demo, how many of you were there? In the demo, how many of you were there? Arav was there. Shrishti, were you there in my demo? You were not there in my demo. Okay, Dia, were you there? Lata, were you there? Okay, so should we start today's class? Can we start today's class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, we'll be waiting for 2 more minutes, right? Just 2 more minutes. Let other students also join. Some are requesting. Okay, 1 minute.
Sir, you can start.
Okay, so we are going to start, right? Let's start. Yeah, I guess like in the demo class, can you, am I on mute? Oh, okay. You all can hear me, right? Great. Okay, so fine. I think in the last class we have discussed about like what is computer and how can we use the computer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, great, right? So in the last class, okay, basically in the last class, now we have already like we only discussed about the basics of the coding, that what is coding, how what we can do with the coding, right? And how to do a coding a little bit as well. Only these things we discussed in the last class, okay? But in today's class, we are going to learn something more. Very amazing things today we are going to learn. You will be super excited. It's the magic, right? Okay. For example, should we start? Can I start?
Yes, sir.
One minute, one minute, one minute, one minute. Okay, so one by one, I'll be showing you all the things, right? Like in the last class, we already discussed about the computer, so we need not to discuss about those things again. Okay, we'll not be discussing those things again. So let's start today's class. Can you see my screen? Is it visible? Arav, is it visible? Please let me know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
O- Okay, great. So welcome to the mini coders. You all are what you are. What you are. You are the mini coders, right? You are not a normal human or not a boy. You will not say that I'm a kid. You will say I'm a mini coder. Who are you? If I will ask you again, a mini
I
coder.
could.
You will all say I am a mini coder. I am a mini coder. Okay. So let's start this program. Kids, okay. So in the mini coders, we have already discussed about in the demo class. I think I've taken two demos, and in those two demos, we have already discussed about the basics that how to do with the coding and how we are going to do. Okay, and this is the ultimate class in which we are going to implement whatever we have learned. From today, we are going to implement that, and we are going to learn about those things. Got it? Okay. I am your teacher Pradeep Chaudhary, as you already know, and I'll be guiding you from the very, very basics, right? So I am your elder coder, right? You are mini coder, I'm your elder coder, okay? So I'm your elder coder, and after this, I'm going to teach you about the all the things about coding, okay? Got it? Can we start? Okay. So this is
Yes,
our lecture one. So before we start with the coding, first of all, we'll be understanding out that what is an internet, right? What is an internet? Got it? Can you just think out? Can you just tell me what is an internet? Can you just think out once? Like, let's take a moment and let's think out if we are sending out any messages, how do we watch Motu Patlu, right? How do we watch so many cartoons? Or whenever we are playing YouTube, so on the YouTube, basically, there are so many videos which we can play, how we are playing, how these things are happening, how if I'm just searching out and if I'm just turning on my data in my phone, right? Then how can we watch? Yes, Arav, you can tell me.
sir. Sir, internet is a very, very global thing. It
Good.
it runs all the things like online things, and
Mhm.
you game
Good,
all.
very good, very good. Like, you are the young generation. But in the past time, when we go into the past time, if I need to send any information, what I'm going to do? Okay, let's go into the past time, right? Are you ready to time travel? Let's go into the past time, right? So you are just think out that you are in the generation of, you know, early humans. Okay, or you are in the generation of like when it was the Independence Day time, when it was Independence time in the 1900s, right? Okay, so we are now. I have to just send any information to Arab. What will I do? How can I send any information or any message to Arab? Hmm, do I have anything? No. What should I think? What should I think? What should I have?
Open
What I
and
have?
just
Uh-huh.
messaging app and connect to the internet, then you can message.
Great, great, great. The end test, you can also open your cameras, right? So whenever if I will ask you something, raise your hands and then I will unmute you and then you can share your whatever you want to. Okay? The end, the person who joined with the test, please turn on your cameras. The light has gone. Electricity, boom. Okay. So basically, what do we need to do? We are going to write the letter, right? This is the page, and on this page, I'm going to write the letter. And then after that, I'm going to send it through the post, and that postman is going to have you that letter. The letter you will receive it. Yes or no? You will receive the letter after it.
Yes, sir.
Okay? And you know how much time does it take? How much time does it take?
a day, I think. Or
No, not a day. Around 1 month, sometimes 1 month, 15 days, 10 days.
it,
Okay, suppose I'm having birthday tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, and I'm sending you the birthday message today that you have to come into my party. And it has been reached after 10 days. The birthday has already been passed. 7 days has been gone. Okay. Yes, Arav, what you are saying?
sir, sir, when the uh, sir, when the see, the
Huh?
man that receives the letter when it
So my
it
birthday is over. When
yeah
he will come to my party and he will say, give me the party. I will say the birthday is over. How can I give you the party?
when the
Right?
is too far, it takes 1 month or uh 10 days.
Huh, great, nice, right? So, but now what we are having, if I want to send any message, I will be typing in the chat and it will be sent to Arav or Dia or Srishti, right? You can just watch it. Oh my God, this is Pradeep sir's party. Let's go into the party. We will be having so much fun. Okay. So basically, internet, what is the internet? There are so many computers, laptops, phones, all we are using the different phones, right? All they are interconnected. Everything is interconnected. Have you seen the satellites? In the satellites, right? And these satellites, and also like you have seen all the big towers that we call towers, network towers. Like we are having so many different SIM operators like Airtel. I have Reliance, Jio, है ना? Vodafone. Yes or no? So all these are the network providers, right? They provide us the network, and after this, suppose I'm making a call. So this call will be reached to the nearest tower, whatever the tower is there, uh, in our society, in our locality. So there are so many network towers, right? So now this will reach to this network tower, and from that tower it will reach to the satellite, then satellite, and to the again to the nearest tower, and then to the phone or the laptop or the computer. But this process, it takes only few seconds. Do you know this? A very, very few seconds it takes, less than seconds. So this is so fast process. Okay. So basically, but now we have to just understand about the internet. So what is an internet? We are having computers, laptops, phones, and whenever we are sharing the information all around the world, we do with the help of the internet. I hope this is very clear, right or not? Yes? Okay, that's great. Now we'll move to the coding part, right? As we know, what is this coding? Huh? Does anyone know? We already talked about this, right? In the demo classes, we already talked about what is coding, how we can do the coding. But still, I'm taking a quick recap. Okay. Srishti wants to tell. Anyone else? Yes, Srishti, now you can tell. What is coding? I cannot hear you, I guess. There is some problem in your microphone. Ara wants to tell. Okay, Ara, please tell.
Sir, coding is an programming language that
Hmm.
computer can understand.
Okay, so basically, programming language is a part of the coding, right? We can say coding is the programming. Got it? So be like, suppose I need to tell you something that I am coming at your home and I'm asking for a glass of water, right? So how am I speaking? I'm speaking either I can speak in Hindi, English, right? So basically, we are having for the human understanding, we are having so many languages, right? For example, we are having Hindi, we are having English, Urdu, Marathi, so many languages are there, right? French, okay? So similarly, now how this computer will understand? How this computer will understand? Have you guys ever think that how this computer will understand? Huh? It it understands the coding languages, right? It understands the coding languages, right? Whatever we are writing in English, it will be converted into the coding language. And then this coding or the machine language will be understood by our computer. Is it very clear? Yes? Okay, great. So now I'll be telling you out in a very, very simple words. After this, you will never forget that what is this coding, right? So, for example, if I need to, okay, there is a Jojo, right? We are having a Jojo. Okay. So in the Jojo, I'm just making out a Jojo here, right? This is my Jojo. Hello, Jojo. So this is Jojo. Okay. Who is drawing? Okay. So this is Jojo and this is Kojo. This is my Jojo and I'm making another one that is Kojo. This is Kojo. So this Jojo and Kojo, they are talking to their, like they are talking, right? Now when they're talking, so the Jojo said to Kojo, who is this? This is Kojo. This is Jojo and this is Kojo, right? So now just Jojo said to Kojo that can you bring the pan to me? Can you bring pan to me? There is a pan on the table and you need to bring that pan to me. So what this Jojo will do, what this Kojo will do? Jojo is saying to Kojo, na? So the Kojo will do what the Kojo will do. Can you tell me what the Kojo will do? Hmm? Can you tell me what the Kojo will do? Okay, Arav, you want to tell? Okay, then please tell.
Kojo will input and the Jojo will process like uh, taking the facts and giving to it as an output.
Great, very good, Arav, right? So what this Kojo will do, Kojo will go to the table, it will take the pen and it will give to Jojo. Simple. It will go to the table, take the pen and will give it to Jojo. Got it? So basically, what is coding? Coding means whenever we are giving the instructions to the computer, we call that it is the coding. Simple. What is coding? Whenever we are saying something to do that so that our computer should do something, that is coding, right? Whenever we are saying something so that our computer can do something, that is what? That is coding. Got it? Coding means giving instruction. What does coding mean? What does coding mean? Can you tell me? Giving instruction, right? Whenever we are asking something for the computer so that it can do something, right? So that is called the coding. I hope it is clear. Coding means simple, giving instruction. For example, I'm giving Arav instruction, Arav stand up. Arav will stand up, right? I will ask Arav sit down. So Arav will okay. Arav will sit down. So basically, this is called the coding. Simple. I've done the coding with Arav. That's Arav, right? So Arav was my sprite, and I have said Arav to do something, and Arav has done it. Got it? So that is the coding. Okay. For example, when you go to the PT ground, na, the teacher says, now raise your hands like this, make like this. Okay. है ना? Up your hands and then turn left, turn right. So basically, that PT teacher, the physical teacher, what he is doing? The PT teacher is doing the coding only. And coding with whom? Coding with whom? With the students, with the kids that are standing over there, right? So simple. That is called the coding, right? Now we'll understand what you can do with the coding. What you can do with the coding, right? Do you play games? Do you play games? How many of you play games? Can you tell me? Or of Srishti Riya, do you play games? Which game do you play generally? Or of which game do you play? Or of which game do you play? Huh? Tell me any name. Whatever the name you are thinking in your mind, you can just tell me that. Which game do you play often? Very often. Subway Surfer? Hill climb racing, doctor driving, right? So many games we play. Okay. But can you think out that can we make these type of games? Huh? And can we impress our friends that we have designed this game? This is my game, and you are going to play my game. Oh, what how it will be? When you are saying this game, I have developed this game, I have designed this game. Okay. So this could be only possible with the help of with the help of what? With the help of coding. With the help of coding, right? So with the help of the coding, the first thing that you can do, it is the making games. Okay, whatever the game we generally play in our phone, in our laptops, computers, they are only possible with the help of the coding. Got it? Is it clear? Second thing, make animations. What does this making animations? Like we can make all the superheroes, Batman, Superman, Iron Man. You know, Iron Man is jumping from the roof, right? And he's climbing. All these could be possible with the help of the coding only. Have you seen the Motu Patlu and the Furfuri Nagar? This is my favorite cartoon, I know. I used to watch it when I was a kid. I used to watch it a lot. Motu Patlu and the Furfuri Nagar. Okay. So basically, the animations that you watch, the cartoons that you watch, it can be also designed with the help of what? Coding, right? Okay. Third thing is the tell stories or comics. How many of you like stories, comics? How many of you like stories, comics? Is there anyone who like stories and the comics? Everybody likes. Don't you like stories, Arav? If I'm telling you a story, okay, you can also do that with the help of the coding. Got it? Oh, the next thing is out the create applications. What is this application? What does this application mean? Application means whatever we are using in our phones. Like for example, YouTube, there is WhatsApp, right? If I need to just if I will just see it here, there are so many applications like Flipkart, Zoom, the meeting that you are taking out, right? So what is Geo? Like so many applications are there. Ana? Phone Pay, Paytm, so many applications are there. All these are designed with the help of what? With the help of the coding, right? So these are the four things that you can do with the coding. So what is the fifth thing? What is the fifth thing? Controlling the robots. Controlling what? Controlling what? Controlling the controlling the robots, right? Okay. So whenever we control the robots, when we control the robots, like oh, when the have you seen the robots? Have you seen a robot movie? The robot movie, any robot movie have you watched? Or a robot cartoon in which there is a robot? Does anybody know? Have you ever watched a robot movie or the robot cartoon? How do we control these robots? How do we control these robots? With the help of the coding only, we can control these robots. How can we control? With the help of the coding, right? And the next thing is out solving the problems, right? There are a lot of problems in our that okay, we need to just cross this obstacle, right? All these things could be only possible with the help of the coding, right? So these are the few things that you can do with coding, and there are so many other things as well. Okay, now we have talked a lot about the coding. We already know coding means whenever we are giving the instruction to the computer, it means that it is showing out whenever we are saying something that our computer should do, that is coding. Okay, Ara, what would you like to say? Yes, Tal.
Sir, I
Yes, please.
we were given scratch and then show showed to my father and mother.
Huh? What you are saying?
Sir made sir I made a Flappy Bird game from scratch and
Okay, that's good.
to my father and mother.
That's
They
very good.
liked it.
That's very good. That's very nice. Okay. All these things we can do with the help of the coding only. You got it? Okay. Now, first of all, in today's class, we have divided this class into the two section, right? In the first section, we'll be learning out the block-based coding. Repeat after me. What it is?
Block based coding.
You can also repeat Srishti and Adesh and Karun ne diya hai na. You can also repeat. Okay. What is this? Block-based coding. What it is? Block-based coding, right? In the block-based coding, we are going to learn the Scratch. Okay? In the block-based coding, we'll be learning the Scratch, and in the text-based coding, I am going to tell you what we are going to learn. Okay? So basically, when we talk about the Scratch, what is a Scratch? Scratch is just like a block-based coding, right? In the block-based, it is a block-based coding platform, right? Means there are the different blocks, right? And what do we need to do? What do we need to do? What do we need to do? We are going to just drag, drop. Repeat after me. Drag, drop,
Yeah.
drag, drop, drag, drop. This we can do in the block-based coding, right? And especially in the Scratch. Okay, got it? So before doing the Scratch, I would like to show you, I would like to tell you something, right? So basically, why do we use the Scratch? We can learn the basic coding, we can make the characters move, we can add sounds and music, we can think creatively, and we can also make out the animations, right? We can make, we can also make the animations, right? All this we can do with the help of the Scratch, and the Scratch is very, very simple, right? So there is a cat. Can you see this cat? This cat, this is called the sprite. This is the default sprite in the Scratch. Okay, what do we call it? We call it as a sprite. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Great, great, right? So we are going to learn out the basic coding with the help of the Scratch. And there are so many characters which we can move with the help of the Scratch. And also we can we can make animations basically, right? We can make stories, comics, and the games as well with the help of the Scratch. Okay, got it? Are you all familiar with the Scratch before? How many of you are familiar with the Scratch? Raise your hands and tell it to me. Dia, Karunya, Adish, are you already familiar with the Scratch? Okay, great, great, right? So now we are going to learn out. There is a kind of the sprite. First, we will learn about the sprite and the stage, right? So what is a sprite? What is a sprite? A sprite means the character. For example, now I what I told to Arav. Arav stand up, then Arav got to stand up. Arav sat down, then Arav sat down, right? So basically, Arav was my sprite. Okay. So in the similar way, we are having so many things, so many sprites in the Scratch, right? For example, there is a cat, there is a girl, boy, ball, है ना? Car, dog. So all these are what? All these are our sprites, right? And then there is another thing that is called, we call it a stage. Stage means we also call it the backdrop. Backdrop means, for example, like you are where you are. You are in your room. Where you are? You are in your rooms. So your room is the backdrop. What is your backdrop? Your room is the backdrop, right? If I'm in the ground, so what is my backdrop? What is my stage? Huh? What is my backdrop? What is my background? Can you tell me? What is my background? If I'm in the ground, then my ground will be my background, right? My backdrop, right? Okay. And stage means stage. What is the stage? Stage means like your character, whatever you are going to choose the character, it will move here or it will be showing here, right? You are going to show it here. Got it? So that is called the stage. Understood? Like for example, if I've done the coding, okay, that if I need to move out my cat or whatever I am taking, if I need to just move out, it will be moving into the stage, right? Whatever I'm doing, the coding, it will be showing into the stage, right? Adish, have you used Scratch before? You can mute yourself. You can unmute yourself, then can tell me. You can unmute. I will unmute. Adish, can you tell me? Have you used Scratch before?
Yes.
Okay, great. Srishti, have you used Scratch before? Srishti and Dia, can you have you used Scratch before? Dia, if you have used this Scratch, then we are
Yes,
going to just
sir.
Okay, great, right? So, okay, fine. Then I'll be telling you something next, right? I think you already have used the Scratch, okay? We'll be having a very fast look over the Scratch, and then after this, we are going to look out some other thing. We will be learning some other thing. Got it? Okay, fine. So those who have not used the Scratch, I'll be sharing a link over there. है ना? They can just have a look over the Scratch. In today's class, I'll be only telling the basics, and in the next class, we are going to make a game. Okay? Allow me 1 second. I'm sharing the link over here, है ना? So that you can all have a visit on the Scratch. Okay. If the Scratch is already downloaded in your laptop or the computers, you can open it. Otherwise, what you can do? Otherwise, I'll be sharing a link. You have to just click on that link, and after that, your Scratch will be opened. Okay. A minute. I'll be sharing a link here. Okay, if you will just click on this link, then Scratch will be opened in your laptop. Okay. Otherwise, if the Scratch is already downloaded in your laptop, then you can just watch it from there. Got it? Okay. You can also open your application if it is downloaded in your laptop. Okay. Now I'm going to just scratch. Like I will also show you one thing, right? I hope you can see my screen. Is it visible? Let me show what is there. Yeah. Okay. I guess my screen is visible. So this is the scratch, right? In this, I told you about the sprite, right? What is the sprite? Sprite means, what does this sprite? Sprite means like, you can see out means that there are the different characters, right? This is the cat is the one character. And if I will just click on this, choose a sprite option. From here, I can choose so many sprites, right? This is the Abby is the sprite, Amon is the sprite, and all these are the sprites, right? Okay. All these are the sprites. Got it? Is it very clear? You can choose whatever you want. For example, if you are just making a story, then you can choose a boy or a girl. Okay, you can like if you want that my monkey should be included in my story. So you can just search a monkey over there, and then after that you can also include the monkey here. Got it? So basically, this we call the sprite. Is it very clear? Okay. Now after this, if I need to just choose out this stage, right? How can I choose this stage or the backdrop? For example, for this is my backdrop, right? What do you want? What do you want in your backdrop? You want this castle too? है ना? Suppose they are in the jungle. Now they are in the jungle. Okay. So now this is called my sprite and this is called the backdrop as well, right? Now here you can see out there are the different blocks as well, है ना? This is the motion block, looks block, sound block, event, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks, right? Okay, I'm going to tell you one by one that how you can use out these, uh, how you can use these blocks, right? Okay, I think you are already familiar with this, so I'm going to tell you in a very fast manner. After this, we are going to learn something more, okay? Okay. So, like for example, if I need to just click on this move 10 steps, and if I'm just choosing this from the event, if I'm just choosing when flag clicked, and if I will be clicking on the flag, then what will happen? Now this monkey is going to move on 10 steps, right? You can see. Got it? Is it very clear? Yes or no? Got it? So in the motion block, what does this motion block do? As the name is suggesting motion, right? So motion means when our sprite is moving. Whenever we are doing any of the code, so that our code means our sprite should move. We are using the motion block. Okay. So we are having so many motion block here, like move 10 steps, right? In the move 10 steps, I can also make out the move 100 step, move 1000 steps, right? Whatever the steps we want to make it, so that our sprite should move. We are going to just choose that block. Okay. And after this thing is going to work out. Got it? Like turn 15 degrees. If I will just click on this turn 15 degrees, if I'm just selecting this turn 15 degrees, and now if I'm clicking on the green flag, then what will happen? Now this monkey is turning 15 degrees. Got it? And here you can see this is my stage. Whatever I will write here, it will be displayed here. Whatever I will write here, it will be displayed here. That's why we are calling it as the that's why we are calling it as the stage. I hope this is very clear. Okay. Fine, great. Okay, you can see out the coordinates here. This x, can you see this x and y? This x and y, right? So this x and y, x means these are our coordinates, right? X means whenever we are moving into the forward direction. Whenever we are making our sprite move into the forward direction, we are using the x. Got it? And whenever we are moving that our sprite should move into the upward direction as well, we'll be using the y. Okay, so these are our two coordinates. What are these? What we can call? Who will tell me? Arav. Arav, tell me what is this? These are my coordinates, right? Okay, is it very clear? And there are so many blocks over there. And turn 15 degrees, go to random position. If I will just click on this, then my this monkey will go to the random position, right? Got it? Like see, I'll be doing this with the help of this monkey. I'm going to understand, right? make you understand with the see. Now it is going to the random position. Let's see. Random position, random position, random position, right? So with the help of this block, my monkey can move to any of the random position. I hope this is very clear. Okay. Similarly, there are so many things here. There are so many blocks here, right? Whenever we will be doing the code, we are going to understand this, right? Okay. Is it very clear? Got it? Now there is the looks. In the looks, what do we do in the looks basically? In the looks, you can see out there are the different blocks again, right? Say hello for 2 seconds, only say hello, and after this is going to think and it will say, okay, think him. Okay, so there are so many blocks over there as well. Got it? Now, if I will click on the sound, in the sound, there are other blocks. Like here, what this sound block will do, right? It is going to play out the sounds. There are the different sounds in the scratch, and this will be playing the sounds. Okay, is it clear? Karunya, is it clear? Yes. Diya, Srishti,
Yes, sir.
is it very clear? I'll unmute all of you, okay? So that now you can all speak. Got it? You can unmute yourself now.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It's
great.
clear.
So now, basically,
Yes,
in
sir.
the event option,
It's
yeah.
clear.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So in the event option, basically what we are going to do, there are so many events, right? For example, when I'm pressing this space key, when when this flag is, I'm clicking on this flag, right? So basically all these are the code, and all these are the blocks that we are going to play over here. I'm just going to put it over there, and after this is my sprite that is going to work out. I hope this is very, very clear. Okay. Tell me yes or no, is it clear? Yes. In the control block, we are going to control it, as the name is suggesting control, right? In the control, after, for example, if I'm just clicking on this wait option, and wait 1 second. After this, after doing all these things, it is going to wait. Okay. For example, let me click over there. Wait, and then after that, it will say hello for 2 seconds, right? Two. Okay, and then after this, it is going to say hello for 2 seconds. Let me make it 3 seconds. Okay, and in the control, I can have also some other blocks. For example, if I'm just clicking on this repeat block, so what this repeat block will do, this will be repeated. This will be repeated how many times? 10 times, right? Suppose I need to repeat for the 2 times. So now it will be repeated for the 2 times, right? So all these are the control blocks. Okay, we'll understand one by one. We are going to understand each and everything. Got it? Okay, just have an overview. Just have a look over there. Right? Those who have not used this Scratch before, they will be having just an overview, a look over there that how can we use the Scratch. Okay, I'm just giving an overview of this. Okay, similarly here there are the so many sensing options are there. Operators. In the operators, basically we are going to operate, just like whenever we are doing any calculation, okay, or if we want that it should be joined, right? For example, if I'm just joining this apple and banana, so apple and banana will be joined together, right? And suppose I want this my sprite should take out any random number, so I'll be using these operators. Okay, got it? Variables. What are these variable? What are these variable? Does anybody know? What are these variables? Does anybody know what are these variables? Yes, Arif, tell me.
The variable track the things like score is
Ah,
equal,
great.
then it sets to yes.
Understood. Good, good, good. Basically, for example, if I need to store water, how can I store? Can anybody tell me? If I need to store water, how can I store that water? Does anybody know? How can I store the water? If I need to drink water, if I need to store the water, huh? In which thing I can store the water? I can store the water in my water bottle, in the glass, in the tub. So many things are there. Similarly, this variable, it is a kind of the storage. It is going to store. What does it do? It will store the values. It will store the whatever the things are there. It is going to store that, right? Got it? For example, if my score is changing, suppose my monkey is moving, and for every move, I'm getting one score. Okay. So where it will be stored? Where will it be stored? It will be stored in the variables. Where it will be stored? Can you tell me? In the variables. We are going to store this in the variables. Understood? Is it very clear? Is it very clear? Okay. We can make a variable. We'll be clicking on this make a variable option. And suppose I need to make out a speed variable, okay, or a score variable, right? I'll be just typing score here. And if I'll be clicking on the score, you can see out that there is a variable that is in the stage, right? Means this is my score. What does it? It is my score. Got it? Right? For example, now you can see out, and when flag click, my monkey will move 100 steps, then it will turn 15 degrees, and after this, it is going to say hello. Got it? Is it clear? And in the direction, I can also change the direction of it, right? For example, my monkey was here, and after this, when I'm clicking on this flag, it is going to the random position, moving 100 steps, and it is saying hello. Okay? So in this way, we can use this as scratch. So this was just an overview. Okay, from the next classes, we are going to make out different games like Flappy Bird game, as just like Arav has already designed Flappy Bird game, and also the other games like a jumping game, you know, and like a shooting game. So basically, and also the different animations and the stories we can make with the help of the Scratch. Is it very clear? Is it very clear? Okay, so now we are going to switch. Okay, are you ready? Now we will be doing the switching. This was the block-based coding that we have learned, right? We have just have an overview, just have a look over the block-based coding. Okay. Now we'll be understanding the text-based coding, text-based. Okay. Now we'll be writing something, and then this thing is going to work out. Are you ready? Are you all excited? Okay. So in today's class, we'll be having an introduction. We will be having an intro to the HTML. What it is? 1 second, just give me. Okay, so now in today's class we'll be having an intro to the HTML. Okay, HTML. I'm going to present my screen once more. Okay, we have already learned the block-based coding. Was that very clear? Now I will ask to all of you. Okay, I'm going to unmute all of you. Got it? Adesh, Karunya, Srishti. Now you can tell me. Was that very clear? Whatever I was telling to you before,
Yes.
right? Was that clear? Okay, now we'll be moving. We'll be switching to the. For what? We are going to switch to the text-based coding, okay? Fine. So let me present my screen again. Where was my presentation? Let me. Mhm. Can you see my screen? So this was the sketch that we've just learned. Okay. And after this, what was there? Presenting again, okay? All of you can see my screen. Is my screen visible? Karunya, Arav, Dia, is my screen visible, guys? Okay, है ना? So this was the coding blocks that we've just learned. Motion, event, control, looks, and a sound. So motion block, it is going to move the sprite. Event, it is going to start the program, and it is also going to whatever we are doing, right? For example, if I'm just like generally we use it for the starting the program. Control, repeating whenever we want that our code should wait for some seconds, right? Our sprite should wait for some second, or our sprite should be stopped. Okay, operators, variables, and sensing, all these blocks we have just seen, right? The next is that we are going to see what it is coding blocks, right? Coding blocks that we have already seen motion looks again the sound everything, right? Now we'll be understanding what is HTML, right? Okay, got it? Okay. Like, are you using any browser? Are you using any browser? The Google or anything when we just use it? Have you used it? Have you used any of the browser or have you searched anything? Right? Are you going to search with me? Will you be searching with me? Okay, let me search anything, right? For example, if I'm just searching Motu Patlu. Okay. So now there are so many websites are opened. Yes or no? You can see out. If I will just click on it, then it is the Wikipedia that is going to tell me about Motu Patlu, right? This is the Motu Patlu is my character and this is my setting. Everything it will tell me. Yes or no? Like in the later episode, they are on a trip to India. Who is the person behind these websites? Who is the person behind these web pages? Have you ever think who is the person who is creating this? How is it visible to us? Huh? Who is the person? Arav, Karunya, who is the person? Of course, the coder is the person, right? The coders, right? We are the mini coders. Okay, so we are also the person. We could be also the person behind these web pages. Okay, I am going to make you learn how to create these web pages, how to create these websites, and we'll be having an intro as well, right? So, with the help of the HTML, what it is? HTML, right? What is the full form of HTML? You are going to repeat after me. Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. Repeat after me. Hypertext Markup Language. We call it as the HTML. Every website you are using the Google, YouTube, cartoon, games, everything is made up of the HTML. Everything we can make using the HTML. All the web pages we can make with the help of the HTML. Okay, is it clear? Okay, is it clear what is HTML? Got it? Enough? Like when I was a kid, what I was thinking out that there are some magicians who are creating these things. They are just doing abracadabra, and these web pages are designed. I was thinking this when I was a kid. When I was searching on anything on the internet, it came. I was thinking, oh my God, who is the person behind these? Is there any magician or ghost who is controlling all this? He's making a mantra. Shoo. And these things are designed. But no, when I learned this, I got to know that there are coders behind these. Okay. So this is called, we call it as the HTML, right? Now we'll be understanding that how can we write it. Okay. Got it? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, fine. So for that, now we are going to do a practical. Okay. Ready? I'll be showing my screen just a minute, right? 1 second. Just give me 1 second, okay? I'll be presenting my screen. Okay. Have you all notepad in your laptops or computers? Have you all notepad? Notepad. Have you all notepad? Will unmute all of you. Adesh, Karunya, Diya.
Sir, what is notepad?
Notepad means like for example, we are having the notepads, right? If we need to write anything with the help of the pen, we write in our notepads, right? We are writing in our notebooks, right? Similarly, similarly, similarly what? Similarly, if we need to just type anything, we type in what? Where do we type? We type in the notepads, right? We can type in the notepad, okay? So if you will just click on the window option, if you will just click on the window or the start button, no, there is the start button, the square option. I will show you. Can you see my screen? Is it visible? If you will just click on this button, this is the start button. What it is?
Start button.
Start button, right? So if you will just click on this start button and if you will search here notepad, then it will be coming up like this. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Can you see? Can you see it? Notepad? Let's open it, है ना? If you will just open it, it will be like this. Please open, all of you. In your laptops, please open. Please open it. Please open it. Karunya, Adish, Arav, have you opened? Have you opened this? Have you all opened this? Arav, Adish, Karunya, have you opened it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Karunya, have you?
Yes.
Adish?
Yes.
Okay, great. Karunya, have you? Okay, great. Right. Now we are going to write a code. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. So first of all, have you used this like these? One second. Can you see my screen? Is it visible? Can you see whatever I'm writing on the screen? Can you see? Okay, great. So basically, have you used these signs less than, greater than, right? This is the less than and the greater than sign, right? Okay. So what you can do if you just press on the shift, Dia is also there. Dia, you should also open Notepad in your laptop or computer, whatever you are using. You can also open the Notepad and you can type whatever we are typing here, right? Now, and after this, we are going to do. Okay. Got it? So first of all, we'll be using our less than or the greater than sign. What do we call it? है ना? Got it? What is this sign called? Does anybody know? Arav, Karunya, Diya, Adish. What is this sign we call it? Huh? Basically, these and these signs are used for the greater than or the less than. है ना? Got it? But here we are using this for the opening and the closing. है ना? The crocodile is opening the mouth. Uh, After this, it will eat something, and after this, it will close. है ना? Opening, this tag will be used for what? Opening, and after this we are going to use out this tag for the closing. Opening, closing. So first what we are doing? We are opening, right? We are opening. Got it? So we'll be typing here. Now we are going to use an exclamation mark. Okay. How you can use this in your keyboard? With the help of, if you will just click on the shift and whatever the button is there in your keyboard, if you will just click on it, then you can simply do it. Okay. Have you typed till here? Everybody? Arav, Adish, Karun, and Diya. Have you all typed? Yes? Arav, Adish, Karun, and Diya, have you typed?
Yes, sir.
Diya, Adish, have you? One second.
By the way, Windows 10 on my laptop.
Great, 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 great. Oh, sorry, I'm having some cold. Okay. So now we are going to type out, na? We'll be typing doc type. Just type with me, doc, DOC, type, and then this will be in the capital, and after this, all thing will be in the smaller HTML. Doc type HTML. Okay. There will not be any space. We'll be just typing with this, right? Okay. Doc type HTML. What it is? It is a comment, right? What it is? It is a comment, है ना? Like it is going to tell the browser that it is an HTML document. Okay. It will tell our computer that it is my HTML document. It is my website. Okay. We have all typed this. Have you all typed this? Karunya, Adish, Diya, just say it to me. Give me thumbs up if you have all typed, है ना? You can also unmute yourself now. Okay. And then you can just tell me directly. Okay. You can unmute now. I've given you the permission. You can unmute yourself. Adish, Karunya, Diya, all you can unmute. So this is the doc type HTML. Okay, got it? What this tag will do? It is going to tell the browser, tell the computer that it is my HTML document. Okay, got it? Got it? This is my HTML web page. Fine. Now we are going to start, है ना? We'll be again using the less than symbol or the, and then we'll be writing HTML. And then we will be opening and the closing. HTML open and the close. Okay? What it is. Okay? HTML, and then after this we are going to write it. Okay, just type it, all of you. Please type. Arav, Karunya, Dish, please type it. Have you all typed? Karunya, Arav. Okay, done. Same in the similar way you have to type only. Got it? Okay. Then after this we will be giving a space, and then we are going to type out body. BODY, body. Like we are having the body, na? So now we are going to make the body of the web page. So this thing, this is the main area where we are going to put out whatever we want to show on the web page. Whatever we want to show or say show on the web page, we'll be saving this with the body. We'll be writing this with the body. Okay. So this is the body, and then after this we need to close body. Body open and the body closed. Body open and the body closed. Is it clear? Got it? Arav, Karunya, Adesh. Okay, body open and the body closed, right? Now after this, will be giving a space, and then we'll be writing the H1, right? Body is very clear. Now after this, we will be giving a space. You can give any of the space, है ना? Now we'll be writing the H1, right? H, sorry, H, and then 1, right? And then we are going to close this as well. Opening and the closing. H1 opening, closing. H1 opening, closing, right? What does this, what it will do? It is our big heading, right? For example, we are going to write out, I am a mini coder, right? So you can just write this here. What is it? Sorry. This is the H1. After writing this H1, you have to write out, I am a mini coder. Whatever you want to write, you can just write, I am a mini coder. I am a mini coder. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? You'll be writing, I am a mini coder. I am a mini coder. What this will do? It will show the text, I am a mini coder in big letters. Okay, it will show the text, I am a mini coder in the big letters, right? And after this, what do we need to do? Since we have opened it, and then we need to also close it, right? So let's close it. Okay, so let's close it. We are going to close it. Okay. Since we have opened the H1 tag here, so after this, what do we need to do? We have to just close the H1 tag. So let's close the H1 tag. Okay, H1, and then we have to just click on it. Got it? Now this has been closed. Okay, but for this, we need to do one thing. We need to do one thing. We are going to put out a slash. Okay, this is the slash that we need to put out. Okay, got it? This should not be backward slash. It should be forward slash only, right? This is the forward slash that we are going to put it out. And it shows that now our heading has been closed over here. Got it? Is it clear? Is it clear? Or everybody has written this? Karunya, Adesh, have you all written this? Great. So this is called the H1, right? In the H1, we are going to write out whatever the heading we want to write. We can just write it. You have to write similarly, okay? Got it? Is it clear? Okay. Next one, right? Now, this is called the H1. Now we are going to write out the paragraph, and a P, right? So how we will write the P, right? Where we have written the H1, down to this, we need to write out the P. P means the paragraph. What does P mean? Paragraph, right? Paragraph. Now, whatever we want to do, My name is Arav, for example. My name is Arav. This I have written. You can write your name, right? My name is this. Okay. And then what do we need to do? We need to just put out this is my P, and now we need to just, what do we need to do? Whatever we have done this here, H1, right? So we will be writing this H1, and then same, like, we have written the H1, we have closed the H1. Now what we will do, we'll be again closing the P. This is P, right? So let's do it. P. Is it clear? Is it clear? Have you all written this? In your notepad, have you all written this? Okay. Is it clear? Okay, great. So HTML body H1 and P. We have closed our H1. We have closed our H1 like this. Okay, we've closed our paragraph. And then what do we need to do? We need to now just close this HTML, right? So what we will do, we'll be again, first of all, we'll be closing the body and then we'll be closing our HTML. Got it? So let's close this body. Okay. So we have to now close this body. And then how can we close it? We'll be using this sign and the backward slash and then we'll be writing body here. Okay. And it has been closed. Is it clear, Karunya? Adish? Okay, great. Hai na? So this is how we can close the body. And now after this, what do we need to? We need to just close our HTML document. Whatever the HTML web page is there, we need to just click on close our HTML web page. Okay. So how we will close? Again, we'll be using the slash and then we can close it. Okay. Is it very clear? Okay. So in this way, we need to just write the code. Got it? Yes, Harav. Yes, Harav. What you are saying? Yes, Harav. Tell me what you are saying. Harav, I know you are having a lack of internet connection. So you can write this code like this. Okay. You have to write this code H1, then the paragraph, and this body, we need to just close the body tag, and then the HTML tag, we need to close it here. Okay, whatever we have opened in the starting, we need to close it. Whatever we have opened in the starting, we need to close it. Like body tag we have opened, we need to just first of all close the body tag. Then we have opened our HTML tag as well, so we need to just close our HTML tag. Got it? Ka Karunya, Diya, everyone, clear? Have you written this? Is it being written in your notepad? Adesh? Okay, great. I can just see out some of the chats here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, thanks. Now what we will do, we are going to just save it, right? Now we will save it, okay? We will save it, right? So control and the S. With the help of the control and the S, we can save it. Okay? All you have to save this. Yes, Arav, what you are asking? I will be saving it. है ना? Okay, how you can save it? With the help of the HTML. Okay, now you have to save it very carefully. Now you have to save it very carefully, right? How you will save it? You can save it with the name. Like for example, I'm saving this with the help of rf.html. Okay, rf then .html. We need to just save this with the help of this, and we need to just put out .html. Whatever the name we are giving it to this, we have to just put out .html after that. .html. Okay. Okay, we can just put out .html. Okay, .html after this. Yes, Arav. Yes, Arav, Karunya, tell me if there is any doubt. We need to just put out, like, you need to save it with this only. .html. After this, you need to write .html. Whatever the name you are giving to it to, either you can save it in the desktop folder or any of the folder. I will recommend you to save it in the desktop folder, hai na? So that we can easily open it again. Got it? And then you need to write .html after that. .html. Remember this. Always remember this, hai na? Whenever you are saving a HTML document, you can just save it with the help of the .html. Okay, you have to always type .html. Karun, is it clear? I will open your Arav, Diya, and Adish. Please tell me. You can unmute yourself and tell me.
Sir, my internet connection is unstable.
No worries. Have you written this?
Sir, what?
Have you written this code? Arav, have you written this code?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to save it, right? We'll be saving this with the help of save. Now
Yes,
this has
sir.
been saved here. Got it? Okay. Now what we will do, we'll be finding out where it was saved, right? So we'll be seeing on the screen where it is. Can you see out? I'll be refreshing it and then it will come out, right? Where is it? Can you see? Can you check? Uh. Where is the R? There must be somewhere R, है ना? It has been saved over here. Okay. I'll be again refreshing it, and after this, it will be showing it to my own laptop. Okay.
So now my
Yes. Here is it. Here is it. Right. It will be like this, Anna. Whatever the browser you use, like this is rf.html, right? If I will click on it and it has been opened, I am a mini coder. My name is Arav. Okay. Like if you just click on it, like it must be saved on your desktop. If you have saved it on your desktop, and then you will just click on it. For example, it has been saved with this name, rf.html. Right, where it is, there, here it is, right? This is my rf.html. Can you see it? Right? If I will just click on this rf.html, if I will open it, and it will be opened like this. My website has been opened. On my website, what is written there? I am a mini coder. My name is Arav. Okay. This is how we can create the web pages. And in the similar way, we are going to learn out that how to change the color, how to change out the headings, right? Okay. But we have written a very short, just it was an introduction. In this way, we can create it. Okay, Karunya, have you done it? Have you done it? Arav, Adesh, have you done it? Arav, have you done it? Is it being opened? Karunya, I will ask you to share your screen, then you can share your screen, okay? And show it to me once. Uh, make host. Yeah. Now you can share your screen, and then you can show it to me where it is. Or you can send out the photo in the group. You can send out the screenshot in the group, okay? Will you be sharing the screenshot in the group? Adesh, Arav, please share the screenshot in the group, okay? Got it? If you have done it, please share the screenshot in the group, okay? So this was the class in which we have learned about the block-based coding and a little introduction to the text-based coding as well. I hope you have learned something new today, right? Something interesting, okay?
Yes,
Yes?
my name is Arav.
Yeah, your name is Arav, I know.
It is written in my browser.
Oh, that's great. Means your web page is also ready. Okay. So in this manner, you can create your web pages. Got it? So it was just an introduction. We have just looked about for the few tags, right? In the similar manner, we are going to learn so many other things. Ready? Okay. In the next class, we will be learning other things as well. This was the first lecture. In the second lecture, we'll be making a game in the Scratch, then doing the web page. It will be so much fun. Okay, guys. So that's all for today. And I'm very thankful that you have stayed till the end of the class. Otherwise, many students left it. But it shows your consistency and it shows that you are very curious and you are really good. I really like you. Okay, then. Okay, then. How was the class? Can you tell me?
It,
Karuna,
it was really great.
it
Very
was
great.
really great. Karuna, have you learned something new today?
Yes,
Huh? Okay, how was the class?
it was really great. I am also happy that I learned something new in coding.
Okay, great. Karunya? Yes, very informative. Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. So we are going to learn like this in the next classes as well. Okay, so let's continue this journey. And yeah, do not forget to share your screenshot in the group. Okay, do not forget to share your screenshot in the group so that I can also see. Got it? After this class only you have to share it. Okay, you will only go out when you will share the screenshot in the group. Okay, then so that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, mini coders. That's all for today. We'll be meeting again and we'll learn again. Okay, then bye bye. Take care. Have your food. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Dia. Hello, everyone. Please wait and call your parents. Karunya, you can leave. Other students, please wait. Arav, you can also leave. Dia, are you there? Dia. Hello, Dia.